Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology. News is Quantum Systems and Frontline Robotics form joint venture for European production of Ukrainian drones. Quantum Systems and Frontline Robotics have announced the creation of Quantum Frontline Industries, a German-Ukrainian joint venture focused on drone production. The launch marks the first time Ukrainian drones will be manufactured on an industrial scale in Europe under the Build with Ukraine initiative. The new venture will establish Europe's first fully automated, industrial-scale foreign production line for drones for the Ukrainian armed forces. The announcement was made on the 15th of December 2025 in Munich and Kiev. Under the initiative, the joint venture will mass-produce battlefield-proven multi-use drones developed by Frontline Robotics. All systems produced in Germany will be delivered exclusively to the Defense Forces of Ukraine in volumes defined by the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense. The production line will combine Ukrainian battlefield-proven technology with German industrial automation, creating a new cross-border defense co-production model known as the German model. The venture will also create employment opportunities in Germany for Ukrainians. Quantum Systems will provide industrial infrastructure and production operations, while Frontline Robotics will contribute licensed designs, training, and full life-cycle support in line with NATO standards. Sven Krug, co-CEO of Quantum Systems, said, "Ukrainians have revolutionized the drone war. Now we will revolutionize the industrial war together." For Quantum Systems, this is the logical next step of our proven track record in support of Ukraine. Together with Frontline Robotics, we will build on our proven experience and create Europe's first foreign production capacity at this scale for Ukraine. Yevhen Tretiak, CEO of Frontline Robotics, stated, "We see this as an important mission to build the first Ukrainian-German defense joint venture with our partners Quantum Systems. We are confident that our example will pave the way for future collaborations of this kind. This cooperation will supply the defense forces of Ukraine with thousands of drones to drive back the Russian aggressor." Matthias Lehne has been appointed Managing Director of Quantum Frontline Industries and outlined the venture's objectives. He said, "QFI has three goals: scale, expand, and create. Our new joint venture will bring together German engineering excellence with Ukrainian sense of urgency to mass-produce urgently needed drones for Ukraine, expand its portfolio, and create new products to push the boundaries of what is possible." Lehne previously served as an infantry officer in the German Armed Forces before joining the Cyber Innovation Hub and later Quantum Systems in 2023. Mikita Rajkov, Chief BD Officer of Frontline Robotics, said, "Our drones are essential and in high demand on the front line in Ukraine, which is why we need to scale up serial production. In wartime, finding safe locations for manufacturing inside Ukraine is difficult. Partnering with Quantum Systems allows us to expand our production capacity and strengthen the defense forces even further. We are truly glad to have such a partner by our side." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 15.